we are on set, it's director and actor. Like there is no, because वो पर्सनल रिमार्क कहीं ना कहीं से वो आ जाता है, अच्छा कल भी रात को ऐसी बात हुई थी, आज भी ऐसी बात हो रही है, तो we literally sat down and communicate and we said, and I am that ways as an actor that if my director says okay this is what it is, I will, because at the end of the day captain of the ship क्यों बोला जाता है, because उसके ही दिमाग से सब कुछ निकल के आया है, and this तो he wrote also and it's been with him for so long. So set पे clear था, what if he says that this is it and I'm going to just do as he's saying, I will not overstep, he will not overstep. Of course फिर वो production साथ में जो हम लोगों ने किया, फिर उस पे जो
प्रोड्यूसिंग में आई थिंक वी हैड टू फाइंड आवर वे,
आफ्टर
उसमें बहुत
कट के बाद जो
complicated
वाली
हो जाता है।
चीजें होती है जो घर जाके when we had to figure out some
As-
logistics part of it,
हाँ,
then of course we had to, because then we were both at
जैसे
par.
थोड़ा सा उदाहरण दीजिए ना, समझाइए मेरे को।
I mean like अगर
Like-
हमें
हाँ
तो फिर
नहीं, like it's producing, what happens is अभी आपका शूट तो हो गया, अब now you come back to the hotel, then you start planning for the next day सब, पर do we really need that vehicle to come all the way, for example, या वो ड्रोन एक दिन के लिए आ रहा है या 2 दिन के लिए आ रहा है, now that's a call as producers we both will take because उसमें money involved है, and we both are funding it, and both are funding it, मतलब literally ये वाली फिल्म हमारे लिए ऐसी थी कि ये फैमिली फिल्म है हमारी, मैं तो कहता हूँ ये सिर्फ हमारी फिल्म नहीं है,
family enough
it
for
is
this,
it is our family which has supported us to really कि guys go there, make the film you want to make.
and by family I would say Uttarakhand family, like literally
Delhi
not
वाली
just
both
our
side.
family,
No,
Delhi
Delhi
bhi.
family
Okay.
also.
What I mean like
As a
it's
state
not
वाले
just
जितने
our
लोग
immediate
आसपास थे।
family, our immediate family definitely
They
kind of
also-
helped and
they
supported
also
us
came in.
in a very big way, but also because the film is from Uttarakhand, right?
Localites.
Yeah, the localites
yeah.
kind of really supported and helped us in that. But yeah, coming to
So,
the producing
so
part,
now
it's-
when you're producing, you've taken funds from here, there you have a great responsibility, और तब हमें लग रहा था कि यार अभी तक ये नहीं सोचा था ना कि when you start putting funds on your own and you start making your films, every equipment, do you really need it? Does it have to come on set or not? Plus Harshil का सबसे बड़ा complicated part क्या है कि it's 8 hours by road you have to reach there. From Dehradun, so if somebody's coming, a vehicle is going to go up and down, that's a cost in itself. And now we both are going into that कि नहीं, do we really need it? And she's like नहीं, what if it's not required? And I'm like no, but it is required. तो मैं, मेरा वो director भी आ रहा है, but मुझे producer जैसे भी सोचना है. She is thinking as a right producer, so somebody has to take a front foot. आगे भी सोचना पड़ता है, प्लानिंग भी करनी पड़ती है, मुझे बैक फुट लेना पड़ेगा कभी, पर उसमें एक कपल भी आ रहा है, तो आई थिंक आई डोंट नो, मतलब उस
then
टाइम
you-
हमने
ये भी
कैसे
decide हो रहा
निकाला
है खाना क्या
था,
खाना है,
पर ये भी हो रहा है
You're
कि
like,
खाना
कि-
हाँ खाना का कहाँ से हो रहा है,
ये
वो
सब डिस्कशन करते हैं, अच्छा रात को खाना क्या खाना है, we'll order that
वो
also.
भी
So all of that, it was
आई
pretty
थिंक वो
interesting.
इंटरेस्टिंग था, काफ़ी टर्मोइल टाइप सा भी होता है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, कहाँ यार कहाँ घुस गए, बट अब बहुत सीख लिया है।